If you saw a massive 3-foot hole in the bottom of a ship, you'd panic. You'd grab a bucket, you'd call for help, and you'd do everything to plug it. But what if the ship had 1,000 tiny holes? Holes so small you can barely see them. You wouldn't panic. You might not even notice, but the result is exactly the same. The ship is going to sink. It just takes a little longer. Most of you are financially sinking right now. You have a good job, you make a decent salary, but at the end of every month, you look at your bank account and think, where did it all go? I didn't buy a Ferrari, I didn't go on a $10,000 vacation, why am I still at zero? The answer is the silent drain. My name is Zishan and welcome back to the Wealth OS. Today, we are going to stop the sinking. I'm going to show you how modern corporations have designed a death by 1,000 cuts for your bank account. We are going to go through a 90-day system purge. We aren't looking for the big holes today. We are looking for the tiny leaks that are stealing your future $20 at a time. I want you to open your phone right now. Go to your subscriptions in your settings. If you see more than 3 apps you haven't opened in the last week, you are literally throwing money into the ocean. Let's plug those holes. In the old days, if you wanted something, you saved up and you bought it once. You owned it. Today, you own nothing. You subscribe to everything. The companies have figured out a brilliant psychological trick. They know that if you ask you for $500, you'll say no. But if they ask you for only $15 a month, your brain says, that's nothing. That's just the price of a sandwich. So you get Netflix, then Spotify, then Amazon Prime, then a gym membership, then a cloud storage plan for a premium version of a weather app you use twice a year. Before you know it, you have $200 a month leaving your account in invisible payments. The math of the trap. $200 a month doesn't feel like much, but $200 a month invested in a simple index fund for 30 years grows to over $450,000. You're trading a $500,000 retirement for the ability to watch shows you don't even like. Think about that. Is that extra streaming service worth $500,000 to you? Because that is the real price you are paying. In Phase 3, we look at the newest, most dangerous virus in the system, microdebt. There is a new trap in town, and it is catching everyone under the age of 40. It's called Buy Now, Pay Later. You go to buy a pair of $100 sneakers. You see a button that says, pay only $25 today. It sounds like a gift, but it is actually a financial virus. When you use these services, you are training your brain to buy things you cannot afford with money you haven't earned yet. You start with one $25 payment, then another for a jacket, then one for a dinner. Suddenly you have 6 or 7 different small payments hitting your account on different days of the month. You lose track, you lose control. Your cash flow becomes a tangled mess. This is microdebt. It's not a $50,000 loan, it's 20 different $20 loans. It feels light, but together they act like an anchor. They stop you from being able to invest. They keep you in survival mode because your next paycheck is already spent before you even get it. We are starting our 90-day system purge. Month 1 is about the ruthless audit. You are going to sit down with your bank statement and a highlighter. You aren't looking for the big stuff like rent. You are looking for the silent drains. Every auto draft, every subscription, every small payment gets highlighted. Now here's the rule. If you haven't used it in the last 14 days, you cancel it immediately. Don't say, oh, but I might use it next month. That is the voice of the corporations talking. Cancel it. If you really miss it, you can always sign up again. I want you to find at least $100 of waste in month 1. For most of you, it will be closer to $300. That money is your bandwidth. It's the energy we are going to use to build your wealth. I dare you, go through your bank statement tonight. Post in the comments how much invisible waste you found. I bet some of you find over $500. In month 2, we take that money we saved from the purge and we redirect it. If you found $200 of waste, that money doesn't stay in your checking account. If it stays there, you will find a way to spend it on something else. This is a law of human nature. You are going to set up an automated transfer.
That $200 now travels directly into a high-yield savings account or a brokerage account. Think of this as reclaiming your bandwidth. You're taking the energy that was leaking out to Netflix and Apple, and you are piping it directly into your own future. In month 2, you will feel a phantom pain. You might miss that one app. You might feel boring because you aren't eating out as much. This is the feeling of your brain healing. You are breaking the addiction to small, cheap thrills and replacing it with the high of watching your net worth grow. We cannot talk about the silent drain without talking about the biggest hole in the middle-class bucket, the car loan. In 2026, people are taking out 7-year loans on cars they can't afford. A car is a tool to get you from point A to point B, but society has told you it's a status symbol. When you pay $700 a month for a car, you aren't just paying for the car, you are paying for the opportunity cost. That $700 a month over 7 years could have been the foundation of your first $100,000. If you were in a financial crisis and you were driving a car with a massive monthly payment, you are trying to swim with an anchor tied to your waist. In our 90-day purge, we have to be honest. If the car is the reason you can't save, the car has to go. Sell it. Buy a reliable used car. Reclaim that $700. That is how you win.
We are in the final month of the purge, month 3. By now, your cash flow is clean. You have no micro debts. You have only the subscriptions you actually use. Now, we organize. We use the bucket method. You set up your bank so that your paycheck is automatically split into 3 places. The survival bucket. This covers your rent, food, and utilities. This is the only money you spend. The shield bucket. This is your 3-month emergency fund. Once this is full, it stays in a high-yield account. The wealth bucket. This is where the purged money goes. This goes into the S&P 500. By automating this, you remove human error. You don't have to think about being disciplined. The system is disciplined for you. The silent drain has been replaced by a silent wealth builder. Automation is the cheat code of the 1%. They don't decide to save every month. It happens while they are sleeping. Are your buckets set up yet? It has been 90 days. Think about who you were 3 months ago. You were stressed. You were wondering why you couldn't get ahead. You were being bled dry by 100 tiny cuts. Today, you are in control. You found $300 a month in waste. Over the last 3 months, that's $900 you've already saved. You have a shield started. You have your first wealth seeds planted in the market. The crisis hasn't just paused, it has ended, because wealth is a momentum game. Once you plug the holes, the bucket starts to fill up faster and faster. You will reach your first $10,000, then your first $50,000. The silent drain is real. It is happening to everyone you know, but it doesn't have to happen to you. You have the 90-day blueprint. You have the bucket method. You have the math. Now you have a choice. You can keep letting the world siphon your freedom $20 at a time, or you can become a wealth architect. If you are ready to start your 90-day purge today, hit that subscribe button. We are building a community of people who refuse to be drained. Go to the comments and type purged. Let's see how many of you are ready to reclaim your life. Separate the noise from the numbers. Trust the math. Execute the protocol. I will see you in the next update. The corporations want you to go back to sleep. They want you to click that subscribe button again. They want you to use Klarna for that new jacket. Don't let them back.